Okay, peace and love, guys. Now, wasn't that a very soothing, calm backing track or whatever you want to call it? I didn't feel like getting anything too hyped up for this video, but let's go ahead and check these out real quick. We have another pair of the Air Jordan Women's Orange, what was the name again? Starfish, yes. It's such a beautiful sneaker. I really don't mind doing it twice. Like, it's such a good out casual wear shoe. And of course, I've already done this shoe before when they sent me those brown laces and everybody's like, where'd you get the laces? I don't know. They just sent them with the laces. So let's take a look at these. And with this pair, I didn't get like that leather tag, like that brown leather tag or whatever, which I really don't mind. And I don't think I got sail laces again with these, which I don't mind because in the last video I did the other lace swap. So in this video, I'm just going to do the orange like you saw in the on foot. So with this pair, as far as quality, I would say they're pretty much the same. I'm assuming it's an updated pair maybe, but I really don't know. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I never do that squeeze test, but none of my shoes are ever weak like that. So I don't really do that test, but I didn't compare this pair to the other pair. You can watch the old video and then watch this one and just kind of, tell me what you thought about the two pairs. But let's jump into this jacket really quick. They also sent this lovely, lovely jacket. And I've been wearing it almost every day because it's cold out here in Colorado. And this is the, I guess, pine green, I think they call it Nupsy or Noopsy 700 puffer jacket. And this jacket, yes, I had to get it in a large. So they recommended that I get a large. So I was like, yeah, I usually wear a medium. So the jacket fits perfectly. I got an on body, if we're going to call it that, here in a couple seconds. But let's just kind of go through the jacket and see what it's all about. And I haven't had a down jacket like this in a long time. Well, I'm lying. I got an Adidas one like this. But this one's actually nicer. I'm not even going to lie. The pockets, when you put your hands in the pockets, the zipper doesn't snatch your hand up. And this is one of those jackets that actually you could tuck it in the inside pocket. I have a couple screenshots I'll show here in a second. But it's a beautiful jacket. I actually want another one. But let's take a look at this in the on body. It fits perfectly. I'm about 5'9", 5'10" in Balenciagas. So I would order a full size up if you're talking to them about size. And they'll probably ask for your dimensions and all that stuff too. I gave them that. And they recommended the large. So it fits great. Now here's a screenshot of where the jacket starts. That's the inside pocket. And there's a YouTube video about this. I just didn't feel like jacking their video and putting it in mine, all that stuff. So that's where you start. And that's what it looks like when you end. Yes, from the inside pocket, the whole jacket looks like that. And I thought that's dope. Would I ever do it? Probably not. And that 700 just means they use like the correct amount of like feathers or whatever they put in the jacket. So it's a dope jacket. That's all I can really say. I love it. Almost got the purple one. I went green, but I don't know. I might get the purple one next. Who knows? But I'm out, guys. Peace, love, and light. I'll catch you on the next one.